Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, it is recording. Okay, it is recording. Okay, good morning, everyone. Today in this class, we will start with the estimation or quantity survey of septic tank manholes. Okay, now the screen is visible and my voice is clear for everyone.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, very good, very good, very good. See here, what PDF I have sent you, it contains this drawing, correct? Now, first example in septic tank. And it is the plan of that diagram only. Is it okay? This is the elevation, sectional elevation, and this is the plan of that one. So I have put like this, okay? Now, for in your, it is coming just below that one. In septic tank estimation, what are the items definitely will come? First thing is your excavation is total excavation. Second thing will be PCC bed. Second thing is PCC bed. Third maybe brick masonry, stone masonry. Anything it is possible. Third may be brick masonry or stone masonry. Fourth may be internal plastering. Fourth may be internal plastering on all the walls. Fifth may be bed plastering. It is also called as bed plastering or waterproofing. Maybe it is also possible. Next, there is one small construction which is called as baffle wall. Is it visible? Baffle wall. Okay, na? Baffle wall in the plan, it will appear like this. In the plan, it will appear like this, baffle wall. But in the cross section, it will appear like this only. It will appear like this. Okay, na? Apart from baffle wall, one second, rotate, where is that rotate option? One second, I will just make that rotate option. Okay, here, okay, let's start with this one. So that is the baffle wall. In cross section, it will appear like this. In the plan, it will appear as a straight line. Okay. After that, you will have some inlet pipe. These things will be in numbers. Okay. Other things, square meter, cubic meter. Okay, that will be there. This is an outlet pipe. This is an inlet pipe. And there is an also a vent pipe. There is an also a vent pipe to have exhaust. These things will be in numbers. Apart from that, there might be steps which have been given steps, steel steps. And important thing is there is a covering slab, okay na? Like this, so many items will come. In the cross section, it is appearing like this. In the in the plan, it will appear like this. Can you see? This is an inlet, this is an outlet. Okay na? There may be vent pipe somewhere here. Okay na? Okay. Now can you see here? This is a PCC bed. This is total PCC bed, which is hatched out to out. Okay na? Out to out. This is your brick wall. This is your brick wall. Okay now. So the inside brick wall, they have given 200 centimeter, and out this direction it is given as 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter. Okay. Now, apart from that, they have given this distance. How much? They have given this distance. How much they have given? Can anyone reply?
40.
Please, why you are waiting? All others. See, okay, every time I should not tell. Okay. Everyone should reply. Whenever I ask the questions, everyone should reply. Okay, na? Okay. Okay. So here in the plan, first in the plan, you should take L and B. L and B. And in the cross section, you should take the depth of excavation. First item is excavation we are doing. So L and B, how much L? This is the 200 centimeter. Anything we are converting it into meters only. Later on, you should tell it in meters only. 200. So here it is 40. That means this is also 40 only, because all around it is same only. This 40 plus this 40. How much? But, give it in meters only. 280 centimeter, that means it is the 2.8 na.
Yes, sir.
It is a 2.8. Okay. Now in this direction, width 90 plus 40 plus 40 means what? 0.9 plus 0.4 plus 0.4. How much?
1.7, sir.
1.7 is the correct answer. 1.7 is the correct answer. Now, what is the depth of excavation? Where is the ground level? Yes, here is the ground level. From the ground level, this 30 plus 140 plus 25. How much?
195, sir.
195 means 1.95. 1.95. So those things have written like this. Whatever you have calculated, no, that one they have written. 2.8, 1.7, 1.95. So multiplying this, you will get a cubic meter of quantity. Is this step clear for everyone? Just say, give the response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Whenever I ask, everyone should reply. Everyone should reply. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shri Narayan, is it okay? Shri Narayan. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Very good. He has given in reply. Where is Sandesh? Sandesh is not there. Okay. No problem. Rushikesh, have you understood? Yes. Okay. Teju Pattar, Varsha madam, have you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next,
Yes, sir.
next item what we are taking is this bed concrete, this bed, total bed concrete. Now, this is split in two portion. One, this rectangle like this, one this rectangle, another this triangle portion, another this triangle portion. Now, for the rectangle portion, the PCC bed is the same as excavation only. How? This 2.8 plus, sorry, this 2.8 and this 1.7, which is the same, which is same. What is the depth of this rectangular PCC bed, foundation bed concrete? Depth of this one?
0.2, sir.
0.2. Yes or no?
0.2, sir.
0.2. Very good.
0.2.
LB same as excavation, depth of this is 0.2. So that is why we have written 2.8, 1.7, 0.2. Okay, na? 1.2. Now, triangle portion, what is L and B? You should tell me. Whether it is outside to outside or whether it is inside to inside. This triangle portion, what you are seeing, whether it is outside to outside, such as excavation, or inside to inside, which is of brick wall.
Inside, sir.
Into
Inside.
Very good.
Into
So, inside to inside. Now, what is the inside to inside? What is the inside to inside here? You have to see the plan. You have to see the plan. What is inside to inside?
200.
2 meter by 0.9, sir.
Very good. 2 meter by 0.9 is the inside to inside. And how the height of this triangle should be taken? How this height of triangle should be taken? Okay, na? So you have to take this 10 and this 0. Here it is 0, here it is 10. So take average. So take average depth, because it is not a full, no, because it is a triangle portion which is increasing. So average of 0 and 10 is 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter, which is converted into meter, is how much? 0.05. So that is what we have written. Inside to inside, 2 into 0.9, and average height is 0.05. So multiplying these three, you will get 0.09. Multiplying these three, you will get 0.95. Adding these two, you are going to get 1.04. 1.04. That step is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now next item is roof covering slab and baffle wall. Roof covering slab and baffle wall, which are made up of RCC. Now First, we will go to this top slab, whether this is a 2 by 0.9 or 2.8 by point something like that. But it is here, from here to here. That means what is this width of wall? What is this width of wall? It is 20. It is 20 is given here. So 2 meter in this direction plus 0.2 plus 0.2. How much?
2.4.
2.4.
2.4. 2.4. Similarly, in this direction, 0.9 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. How much?
1.3.
1.3. Very good. So that is why 2.4 and 1.3 are the RCC slab, because it is already given in the cross section. Because it is already given in the cross section that it is 7.5 centimeter. You can easily write it in square meter only. Now come to this baffle wall. How much is the depth and width? Let us say first width. Width is this one, no? This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much is this width?
1 meter, sir.
Where is the 1 meter given?
90.
90, sir.
Okay, what
Yes,
he has
sir.
told is correct only, but he is saying directly you should not tell. Okay, so here what they have mentioned, some bearing they have given, which has been inserted in the brick wall. Because it is a RCC slab, you just cannot simply place it. You have to embed it by some distance inside, some distance here. So 5 centimeter here, 5 centimeter here. 90 plus 5 plus 5. 100 centimeter, which is converted into meter is 1 meter. Now what is the depth here? What is the another dimension of baffle wall? What is the dimension?
0.45, sir.
0.45.
0.45.
sir.
So that is what we have written, 1 and 0.45. 1 and 0.45. So that much square meter, and this will be your 3.57. This will be your 3.57. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next item is first class brick masonry. So we are going to take long wall, short wall method. How many steps are there in the brick masonry? This is the first step of 30 centimeter. This is second step of 30 centimeter. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Now, long wall, short wall method, you are as usual finding center to center. In long wall, you are adding what? Plus width. In short wall, you are deducting that width. Do you agree this point? Have you remember? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first thing we are going to do it by long wall, short wall method. Second time we are going to do it by center line method, which you have to need carefully. This first example I will explain it in a proper way. Second, third, you have to do it very, very clearly. So I will take this. Okay. One bigger rectangle, one smaller rectangle. Okay. What do you mean by this one? This is the width of this one. Okay. Now this is the width of this wall. So for top also I am drawing another rectangle. Correct? For top also. And also like this. Is it okay for you people? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now
Yes, sir.
you need to calculate the brickwork for this quantity separately and this quantity separately. Okay, na? This quantity, you need to calculate separately. Now, what is in to in for the both the case? In to in for both the case? 2 and 2,
2 by 0.9.
2 and 0.9 which are same. 2 and 0.9 which are same. What is the width for this? For bottom footing, what is the width of that masonry?
2.3, sir.
You are telling it correct, Baba, but I am telling what is the width of this masonry?
30 centimeter.
Here 30, here 30. Like this, you should understand. Here also 30, here also 30, here also 30, here also 30. Correct? Now, for this one, what is the width here?
20.
20, sir.
Very
20,
good.
sir.
Here it is 20. Now, give me center to center, both directions.
Sir, 2.3,
And
1.2, sir.
1.2, sir.
2.3 and 1.2. For long wall, you need to minus B, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. So you need to minus 0.3. Okay. Who told minus? For long wall, you should minus or add?
Add, sir.
Add, sir.
For short wall, you should
Deduct.
deduct. So how much is the first distance?
2.6.
2.6. 2.6. And another dimension?
0.9.
And it is 0.9.
9.
Okay, na? Long wall, short wall. Okay. 2.6 and 0.9. Okay. What is the width of that one?
Width 30 centimeter.
Width
0.3,
is,
sir.
one second. How to calculate this one? I will tell just okay, na? 2.3 long wall. What is its width of the brick wall? 0.3. And what is it height of the brick wall?
0.6.
0.6.
0.6.
0.6.
Where is that 0.6? This is the 0.6. This is your first item. What is the second item? Short wall only, no? Short wall, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Short wall. For short wall also, what you need to write? 0.9 into 0.3 into 0.6. Second one. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is bottom foundation. Everyone, this step is clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
clear,
sir.
sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So long wall 2.3, short wall 0.9, width of that is 0.3, height of that foundation is 0.6. You write quantity 1, quantity 2. Now come to the top foundation. Okay, na? Top foundation. Now, what is the long wall distance here?
2.2, sir.
2.2. Short wall distance? Center to center.
0.11.
1.1.
Sir, 1.1.
1.1. So here you add plus b, here you add minus b. So plus b means 0.2, minus b means minus 0.2. What is that one? How much?
2.4.
2.9.
2.2, sir.
And this one bottom side? Short wall?
0.9, sir.
0.9. Okay, na? So into. What is the width? 0.2. What is the height? What is the height from the cross section? From here to here?
1.1, sir.
Where they have given?
Sir, total height is till slab bottom is
170 cent.
20.
Total
And
height
minus
is 170. In that you minus 60. So it will become 110. So we are going to write 1.1. So this is will third quantity. This is your fourth quantity. Okay. Add all the quantities. Tell me the value. Swati, how much is the total quantity? Teju, how much
Sir,
is the total?
calculate ಮಾಡತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ.
How much quantity total? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್
1
ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 14 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನೇನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೇವಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟರ್, otherwise the same things will repeat. Okay
Sir, 1.356.
1.356 check.
Sir, 1.3, sir.
Okay.
1.3, sir.
So everyone has forgotten. What is that forgotten is how many long walls and how many short walls are there? How many long walls are there?
2.
2. Here also 2. Here also 2 short wall. For this case is also 2 short wall. Here also 2 long walls. Now you do. Don't forget the basics.
Sir, 1.452, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡು.
Sir, 2.71.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ. 2.71 is the correct answer. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಂಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಲಾಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ? ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್?
Sir.
Just give the response correctly. For all I am asking.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Only
Yes, sir.
two people, 3 people are given answer.
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Srinarayan.
No, sir. Not very perfect, sir.
Okay. What may I ask? What is the reason behind that one?
Hello. So
what is-
tried to cover the previous videos and was actually lagging behind the current ongoing classes. So I
Okay.
left those and I started attending these classes.
Okay. Can cover, no? Possibly in this
Yeah,
week.
yeah, definitely, sir.
Okay. For others who have missed, I am asking to see the videos. Otherwise, it will become very, very difficult. Okay. Everyone, how many of you people got 2.71 or 2.7? Please raise the hand. Only 2 persons. Others, what happened? You are not getting. Okay. Can you see the answer? Can we check the answer? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why others are quiet, Baba? Why others
sir.
are quiet?
Yes, sir.
Why you are not replying?
Yes, sir.
So many people are there. From last 1 week, I am telling, please give response. Please give response. Shiv Kumar, Srinivas, Shubham, Sunil, Swati, Teju, Varsha, Venkat Goda.
Yes, sir.
Please give
Yes,
the
sir.
response. Please give the response. Okay, na? So can you check the answer here? How much it is coming here? 2.7. 2.77. So what we have calculated, no? Long wall, first long wall 2.6, first short wall 0.9, second long wall, second footing 2.4, second short wall 0.9. Whatever we have calculated, those are correct only. Those are correct only. this width and this height, they have taken it from the cross section. And again, they have multiplied 2 because 2 long walls, 2 short walls in each footing, in each step.
Sir, you write 1.15
ಅಂದ್ರ ಇದು ಎವರೇಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾರ ಅವ್ರು, ಅಷ್ಟೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲದಲ್ಲ ಇದು 1.1. ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. 1.15 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ತಗೊಂಡಾರ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ,
sir.
where they have taken, where is anything marked on the diagram? No.
No, sir.
Then why we take 1.15 there? If anything is there, okay, no problem. But they have taken 1.15. That is not a good thing. Without justification, you should not take. For baffle wall, I can only tell here 5 centimeter inside the brick wall. So that is what we have taken extra. But for
Yes.
height, there is nothing is there, no. So simply they have taken 1.15. I don't think that is the correct step. Okay, for me, 1.1 is the correct one for me. And hardly you are getting 0.0 some value. That is not a big problem. Okay, shall we go to the next step?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here,
Yes, sir.
plastering. Long wall, short wall. How much is the long wall, short wall? Can you just tell me? Plastering. First, find the perimeter. We will do it by our own method. We'll check the quantities, which is very, very easy. Okay, na? Now, what is the perimeter of this one? Inside to inside. Total perimeter. Papa, 2 plus 0.9 plus 2 plus 0.9. How much?
0.58.
5.8.
5.8. 5.8 is the perimeter. What is the height? Total height.
170, sir, inside to inside.
You should tell me it in meters. Whatever things are there, you should tell me in meters.
1.7, sir.
1.7 meters.
Okay, perimeter into 1.7. How much?
Nine 9.86
Nine
meters
9.86.
square.
And they have also given 9.86. 9.86. Okay, na? So now bottom flooring in square meter. Just to tell me the area. Bottom flooring, where it is inside to inside, no? Here inside to inside. What is the this 2 into 0.9? Simple. Correct, no? Inside area. Bottom plastering, inside area.
1.8, sir.
1.8 meters.
Very good. That is what they have written, 1.8. Okay, na? So now inlet pipe 1 number, outlet pipe 1 number. How many iron steps they have given? They have given 2 plus 2. Okay, na? Like that they have given. Where are the how many iron steps can you see here? I will just mark. Watch it carefully. You don't think that is an iron step, but I know it is an iron step. First, second, third, fourth. So how many are there?
4.
4 iron steps. Okay, na? So they have given 4. So all the quantity survey is over. In the question they have given what? In the question they have given the rates. They have given the rates there. So multiply with the rates. Simple. Multiply with the all the items, quantities, and all the rate. You will get the amount. For after that, what you should do for the total amount? You should tell me now.
So add all the amounts, sir.
Now don't calculate. We can calculate as a practice, very simple. All the items are there and all the rates are there in the question. So you can just calculate the amount. After that, there is 2 more important things. What is that? Can you see this point? Very, very important. Do not forget these things. What are these?
3% of contingencies.
Contingency and work charge establishment.
Work charge,
Those things
5%.
5% you should always multiply. Always add. Okay, na? Always add. You will get the total cost of septic tank. Total cost of septic tank. Okay. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Nah? Slowly we will go to the next example. Can you see this one? This example we will go. Yeah. Here. I will draw the plan here. This is the plan. Both are there. So for this excavation, 4.7, one side is the length, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One side they have
sir.
given 4.7, one side they have given. That 4.7, you have to see it in the plan. You have to see it in plan. And in other direction, B, you have to see it in section. You have to see it in section. So 3.7, this 3.7 plus 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0.4 plus 0.1. How much?
4.7, sir.
Oh, okay. Because it is a square, I think. No, it is not a square. It is not a square. That is 4.7 only. Where is
4.7.
the,
Sir, both side
4.7?
adding point. Both side adding 10 centimeters.
No. Wait. I will clear.
Yes.
I will make it clear. The section taken like this is shown here. Section taken like this is shown here. That means the 3.7 and this 3.7 are in the same direction. That is not in other direction. Both are same. So for other direction, you need to add all these things. Are you getting? You need to add all these things. How you should add? 0.9 plus 0.2, 0.9 plus 0.2. What are the other things are there? What are the other things? 0.4, 0.1. I will tell. I got it. Okay, na? 0.9, na? And from here to here it is 0.4. And from here to here it is 0.4. Can you see it from the section here? Total is 0.4 plus 0.1. Total is 0.4 plus 0.1. So 0.5 on this side, 0.9 on this side, and inside is how much? 0.9. Inside is how much? 0.9. So you tell me, from exterior to this inside brick wall, it is 0.5. Okay, na? And here it is 0.9. And again it is 0.5. Again it is 0.5. Everyone understood this one?
Yes, sir. 1.9.
Yes, 1.9, sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
Srinaran
Yes, sir.
got it?
Got it,
na?
sir. Yeah.
Parallelly, you should see the section as well as plan. Then, what is the depth now? You can tell me. So you got 4.7 and 1.9. What is the depth? You should add all the things. 67.5 plus 50 plus 40 plus 15.
172.5.
172.5. So converted into meter?
1.725.
2.5.
Is that okay? So that is what they have written. 4.7, 1.9, 1.725. 1.725. For everyone, this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir? Okay, very good. Everyone should give me reply. Huh? For base concrete, which is there like this. Base concrete, it is not inside to inside. It is outside to outside of this brick wall. This one. This is the base concrete. So excavation dimension and this base concrete dimension is the same. 4.7 and 1.9. What is the height of this PCC bed?
15.
0.15.
0.15. You should always
0.15.
tell me in
0.15,
meter
yes.
only.
Yes, sir.
0.15. So 4.7, 1.9, 0.15. So you are got PCC bed. Now, I don't want to do it by long wall, short wall method. I will do it by central line method. Remember the quantity, it is 4.64. 4.64. So directly I will do it by center line method. Center line method. Okay, na? First, this only one footing I am doing. One footing I am doing. Okay, na? Okay. First, I will draw a rectangle. Carefully watch. Carefully watch. Okay, like this, I am drawing two rectangles. First footing, let us take it as what is the width? 0.4. You understand it is 0.4. Okay, na? It is 0.4. Okay, na? 0.4. So from plan, you can see 3.7 inside to inside, and this is 0.9. 3.7, 0.9. Okay, na? So I will come here. From here to here, 3.7 plus 0.2. Why? Because it is a 0.4 is the width. 0.4 is the width. You need to take only half, no?
Yes, sir.
Because it is a center line. So I will, once again, I will write it first. 3.7 and 1.9. 1.9 or 0.9? Inside to inside.
0.9, sir.
0.9. Okay, na? And width is 0.4. So I will take half of. So parallelly take a calculator. You should tell me the answer because it is an easy one. I will start it from here. 3.7 from here plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. Okay, plus 0.9 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 3.7 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.9 plus 0.2 plus 0.2.
10.8.
10.8.
8.
Once again cross check madri. Once again cross check madri. I will just calculate. 3.7, 3.7, 0.9, 0.9. Okay, 0.9, 0.9. Okay, now 4 things. Next, 0.4, 0.4, 0.4, 0.4. So 4 into 0.4. This.
10.8, sir.
How much?
10.8, sir.
10.8. Very good. Okay, na 10.8 into, this is the center line, into width into height. Width is 0.4. Width is 0.4. Height is also 0.4. Height is also 0.4. Height is also 0.4. So quantity, first quantity, how much?
1.72, sir.
1.72. You remember this one. You remember this one. Come to the second footing. Come to the second footing. So here I will write directly 3.7, 3.7, 0.9, 0.9, 4 into what is the width here? 0.3. So instead of last 4 into 0.4, other badly, you write it 4 into 0.3.
10.4.
10.4.
4, sir.
10.4. So width is 0.3. Height is how much? Height is how much for second footing?
0.5.
sir.
0.5. Very good. Answer?
1.56.
1.56. Okay, you remember. Third one we will come. Third one is the 0.2 width. Third one is 0.2 width. Same calculation, only here 0.4. Remove that 0.4. You multiply with 0.2.
10, sir. 10, sir.
10.
Sir.
What is the width? What is the height? Width is 0.2. Height is 67.5. That means 0.675. 0.675.
1.35.
1.35.
35.
You add all the three footings.
.63. 4.63.
Very good.
4.63.
How much they have given in the book?
4.64.
Now you, all the people tell me, all the people tell, very good, very good, very good. All the people tell me, first method is easy or second method is easy? Long wall method is easy or center line method is easy?
Central line method.
Central line method.
You should always remember center line method. Okay, na? Okay, okay, very good, very good. Now, partition wall. What is the partition wall? Where is that partition wall? This. Now, can you see it is a total height from here to here? It is the total height. Can you see it in the plan? Here, this is the baffle wall. Here it is the baffle wall. Are you getting? Okay, na? So baffle wall dimensions. How to write baffle wall dimension? 0.9. And this. What is the width of this one? They have given it in plan. How much?
0.1.
0.1. So 0.9 into 0.1 into height. Height is given in the cross section. What is the total height from here to here?
Point
1.35, sir.
1.35. Everyone is getting 1.35.
What? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is what 0.9, 0.1, 1.35. That is what they have given. Okay, now very good. Now RCC slab. RCC slab. See here, they have given some offset here. Can you notice? It is not in to in, or it is not out to out of this. Only it is coming half. So 3.7 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. How much? 3.9. 3.9. In other direction, 0.9 was into in plus 0.1 plus 0.1. How much?
1.1.
Okay, 1.1. So 3.9 into 1.1. What is the thickness of RCC?
7.56.
No, no, no. You should tell me it in meters.
0.075.
0.075, 0.075, 3.9, 1.1. Clear this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now, plastering item. Plastering item, simply take the perimeter, inside to inside perimeter, multiply by the height. Inside to inside perimeter, multiply by the height. Inside to inside perimeter is 3.7 plus 3.7 plus 0.9 plus 0.9. How much?
9.2.
9.2.
9.2 is the perimeter. Height of height. This height, total height. 1.725 ಅಲ್ಲ
Ha, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ 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 ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇದು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ಇದು 15 ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ. 1.6 ಅಲ್ಲ
1.57.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ್ರಿ?
1.575.
1.575.
ಹಾ, ಇದು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಡ್ದು, ಇದು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ? 1.575. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಿದೆ?
14.49.
14.49. Very good.
9.
14.49. Correct. Now, this plastering of this baffle wall also you should do. So, what is this distance? 0.9. Okay. What is the height of baffle wall? This height.
1.35, sir.
1.35. Okay, na? So how you should write? You tell me. Bottom width is 0.9. Okay, na? And height is 1.35. Only one side or two side?
One side, sir.
A.
sides, sir. Both sides.
Two sides.
Both sides. So you need to multiply with 2. So how much is the quantity?
2.43.
4.5, sir.
A. Ido. 2 into 0.9 into 1.35.
2.43.
2.43.
2.43. This is baffle wall and this is perimeter wall. So add how much? Both, if you add, how much there you are getting?
16.92.
Very good. 16.92. 16.92. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತಿ? ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? ನಾ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೇನಲ್ಲ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬುಕ್?
16.32.
ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ವೇರಿ. ಫ್ಲೋರಿಂಗ್ inside to inside, square meter. Flooring. So this inside to inside flooring. This in square meter. 3.7 into 0.9. Direct, no?
3.333, sir.
Srinaran, how much?
3.33, sir.
3.33 inside flooring. How many inlets are there?
2 inlets. One
Two
inlet.
inlets.
One inlet.
We will see, no?
Yeah.
There is an inlet here, there is an pipe here. Okay, na? Like that they have do. So there is an inlet here, there is an exterior. Okay, 2 outlets. Those things you can see it from the cross section. They are in numbers only. Okay, only and one vent pipe is there, one inlet, one outlet. Okay. Okay. Now,
Sir, that whole portion is considered as one inlet and one outlet, right? Like left one is inlet and right one is outlet, right?
but that is correct. But here the pieces they have given T junction. This pipe is considered separate and this pipe is considered separate. No problem. It will depend upon the data given in the question. If they give full one inlet using T, then you can consider one. Otherwise, split. No problem. But generally, you take it as one unit only. One unit, one out. Correct. What you have said, no, that is exactly correct. So one inlet, one outlet, which are of same dia. Which are of same dia. How is that question? Question dole hang kotar nodri da. I will just read out the question. This. So separately means inlet and outlet 1 plus 1, and this is vent pipe. This is vent. Okay, one inlet, one outlet, and one vent pipe, and there is one manhole. There is one manhole cover. There is one manhole cover. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone tell me. One,
Yes, sir.
One inlet, one outlet. That is why they have given 2. Okay, na? And one vent pipe. Vent pipe, where is that vent pipe? This is the vent pipe. This is the vent pipe. Okay, na? Next, what item they have given? This is the vent pipe. Manhole covers. Manhole covers. Where are the manhole covers now? You tell me. This is the manhole cover. This is the manhole cover. Are you understanding this point? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Circle. So manhole cover 1, manhole cover 2. Okay, like this. Now I think where is that? Oh, okay. All items are over. No problem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All items are over. Yes or no? Okay. How many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps are there, but in the estimation they have not given. In the estimation they have not given. Everyone has understood the problem?
Yes, sir.
Everyone has understood the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. We'll do it this one first. Okay. So what is the third one? Very simple. These are very simple. 20 marks if they give, very good for you to score. Don't leave this one. Okay. These are very simple problem. This and truss problem. Who were present in the last class? How easy was that one? Truss. Okay, we'll start. So we are going to do separate. What is given here? Septic tank, and this is the soak pit. This is a soak pit. Okay, this is septic tank, soak pit. Two different excavation, two different masonry, all the things will come. Excavation for septic tank, 8.4 in plan, how much? This direction.
Two point six.
2.5 sir.
6 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8.4 and 2.6. What is the height of excavation in meters?
One 1.56.
3.2.
Depth
3.2. Oh, 1.0. Okay.
1.56 sir depth.
2.48 sir.
ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅವ್ರು ಶಾಣ್ಯಾರ ಮೀಟರ್ದಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 1.06. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಳಗ 50 + 40 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಏನದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ? ಹುಚ್ಚರಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ರ, ತಪ್ಪ ಕೊಟ್ರ, ಹೆಂಗದ?
2.48.
2.48. ಇದು 1.08. ಇದು 50 + 50 + 40 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಭಾರಿ ಹುಚ್ಚದಾರ ನೋಡೋರು. 2.08 2.48.
2.48.
ಇದು 1.08 50 50 40 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2.48 ಡೆಪ್ತ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? 8.4 3.4 ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವ್ರು?
ಸರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8.4 ಕೊಟ್ರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7.6 ಕೊಟ್ರು.
ಅದ ರಾಡಿ ಹಿಡಿಸ್ಯಾರ ಅವ್ರು. ನೋಡುನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಹಂಗ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ನೋಡುನ್ ತಡಿ, ಏನಾರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ. ಅದು ಬ್ರಿಕಾಲ್ದ ಔಟರ್ ಟು ಔಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ನೋದ. ವಿಡ್ತ್ 2.6 ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು 2.6 ಹೇಳದ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 2.6 ಅದ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಇದೇನೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದು 2.6. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 ವಾಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. 1 ವಾಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ. ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ? ಇದು 50 ಅದ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈ 50 ಒಳಗ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊರಗೈತೆ. ಇದು 8.4. ಇದನ್ನ 0.1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನೋಡು ಏನ್ ಗಡಬಡಿ, ಏನು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡುನಂತ. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫುಲ್ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ? ಇದು 50, ಇದು +10 ಐತಿ, ಇದು +10 ಐತಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಿದೆ?
8.2 ಬರೋದು ಸರ್. 10 ತೊಂದ್ರೆ
10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಇವ್ 20 ತೊಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬರೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸೈಡ್.
ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ.
ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸರ್ 7 + 0.5 ಸರ್ + 0.2 ಎರಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬಂದೈತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ 20 ತೊಂದ್ರ ಸರ್.
20 ತಗೋ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನ ಆಫ್ಸೆಟ್?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಅದ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಇದು ಆಫ್ಸೆಟ್ 20 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೋಬ್ಬರಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 20 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ಹೋಲಿ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ, ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ನಾ ಮೊದಲ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ತಗೊಂತೇನೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಇದನ್ನೇನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು. 2.6 ಮತ್ತು 7.6 ನೋಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್ ಅದ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ವಾಲ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ವಾಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್? 7 + 50 + 20 7.7 + 0.7 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ?
8.4.
8.44.
8.4.
8.4 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಇದು 20 ತಗೊಂಡಾರ, ಇದನ್ನ 20 ತಗೊಂಡಾರ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ 20 ತಗೋರಿ ನೋಡುನಂತ. ಇದು 7.7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
8.4.
8.4. ಅದರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಳಗ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.2 ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಈಗ.
3.4.
ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಣ ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತ ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. 8.4, 3.4. Depth is 2.48. Depth is 2.48. Is that okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Others, why
Yes,
you are
sir.
simply sitting? Others, everyone should tell me the response.
Yes, sir.
Understood clearly? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, for soak pit, what is the dia?
3.6.
3.6. If you see it in the plan, it is a 3.6. 3.6 is the diameter. What is the
Sir,
area?
Sir, 3, sir.
Yeah, 3 inside to inside. Excavation ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀ ವಾಲೂನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹಂಗ ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. 3.
ಹಂಗ ಇದು 0.3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3.3. 3.6 is the dia. So circumference, sorry, what is that? Cross sectional area, bottom area, pi d square by 4. Pi d square by 4. Pi into 3.6 square by 4. Okay na?
10.17.
10.17 into height will give the quantity.
40.7. 40.71, sir. 8.4.
40.71. Okay. So excavation quantity of septic tank, excavation quantity for soak pit. When you add both, how much? How much?
111.5.
111.54. Anyone has not understood, no, only they can ask. I will explain once again. Okay na? Shall I proceed?
Yes,
To the
sir.
next.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next, base concrete, simple. Length and width are same as excavation. What is the depth of bed concrete which is given in cross section?
40 centimeter.
How much?
0.4.
0.4. You give me the quantity.
0.4.
8.4. 8.4 into 3.4 into 0.4. How much?
11.42.
How much?
11.42.
11.42.
42.
Very good. It is 11.42. 11.42. Very good. Very good. Now, how many footings are there? If you see it in this direction, how many footings are
3.
there? 3 steps
3.
are there. Brick wall, 3 steps. Okay na? Now, center line method, fast we will do. Okay na? Inside to inside, how much? 7. This is 7. And this direction it is 2.
7 by 2, sir. 7 by 2.
Okay na? First footing. Okay na? First footing. I will write it center line method first. 2 into 7, first one, these 2 walls. Amele 2 into 2, these 2 walls. Okay na? Amele 4 into 4 into what I should write? 0.5, correct?
0.5.
4 into 0.5. How much?
20.
How much?
20, sir.
20, eh?
Yes, sir.
20. Width is how much? Width of this footing?
0.5.
0.5. Height of that step?
50.
Height of that
0.5,
step
sir.
is 0.5. Please tell me it in meters. So this is your first quantity. This is your first quantity. For the second step, you simply change this 0.5 to 0.4. Simply just change this 0.5 to 0.4. How much?
Four, sir.
Huh?
4.
19.6.
19.6, sir.
Second one. 19.6, this one. Second step, what I was doing is, inside will not change, only this will change. So here the width is 0.4, that is why I am writing it 0.4. So this calculation is how much? This calculation, second step, 19.6.
Yes, sir. 19.6.
Srinarayana, 19.6 hai?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
19.6. ಅದರದ್ದು ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಅಂಕಿ 0.4 ಅದ, ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ?
0.5.
0.5. ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ 0.4 ಬದಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕನ್ನ ಶ್ರೀನಾರಾಯಣಲ್ಲಿ? ಶ್ರೀನಾರಾಯಣ
Sir.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ 0.4 ಬದಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕನ್ನ?
Sir, 30, sir.
ಜಾಣ
0.3.
0.3 ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ?
19.2, sir.
19.2. 19.2. Okay. Width is 0.3. Height is how much?
1.06.
1.08.
08. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ಇವು ಮೂರು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ?
15.14.
15.14.
15.14. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ? 14.6 ಬಂದದ, ನಮ್ದು 15.14 ಬಂದದ. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೈನರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕವರ್. This slab cover. ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡೋದು. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ 7, ಇದು 0.3, ಇದು 0.3. ಎಷ್ಟಾತ?
7.6.
7.6.
7.6 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ 2 ಅದ, 0.3, 0.3 ಎಷ್ಟಾತ?
2.6.
2.6 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಇಲ್ಲೇ?
0.07.
0.08 ಅದ.
Oh, 0.08, yes.
0.08 ಅದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು. 7.6, 2.6, 0.08. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ RCC ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಸೋಕ್ಪಿಟ್ಟಿಗೆ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅದರದ್ದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ πd²/4 ಇಂಟು 0.08. 08 ಇಸ್ ದ RCC ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್. ಇದು 0.81. ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು 2.39 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬೈ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು 2.39 is the RCC slab. Is that okay? In that they have deducted this manhole cover because it is not a RCC, it is a steel cover. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Manhole cover you need to deduct in slab. What is the size of manhole cover? Rectangle manhole cover.
0.8 by 0.5.
No. 0.5 by 0.6. This is 60 centimeter. This is 50 centimeter. Okay. How much?
Sir, 0.65 by 0.5.
Manhole cover size is 0.6 by 0.5.
0.3 square meter square.
Into that depth, RCC depth. Into that RCC depth.
0.024.
Correct.
0.024.
That much deduction you should make. 0.024. That much deduction you should make. Now directly tell me the plastering here, inside to inside perimeter, inside to
28.
inside. 7 plus
28.
7, 2 plus 2, 28. 28 into height.
Sir.
Huh?
18, sir. 18.
18, sir. 18.
18. Either 7 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2, 18. 18 into inside height. Height ಎಷ್ಟದ inside height 1.0.
2 meters, sir.
Sir, 44.64. Point.
Height is 2.06.
2.06 into 18. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
Sir, inside height will be 2 meters.
37.08.
ಯಾರೋ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್?
Sir, inside height will be 2 meters.
ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ಮೀಟರ್. ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪಿ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1.08 ಪ್ಲಸ್
Sir, ಅದು 1.8
ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ 1.08
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗಿನಂತೆ 0.08. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.5 ಎಷ್ಟಾತ? 2 ಆತಲ್ಲ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
2 ಮೀಟರ್.
2 into 18.
Yes, sir.
ಎಷ್ಟಾತ? 18 36. So they have written 35.4. They have deducted this sides of baffle wall. In main exam, not necessary. Okay, this much accuracy they will not expect. Okay, so this sides of baffle wall, what is that size? Side is 0.1 into height 1.5. 0.15, 0.15. So 0.3 they have to deduct. Okay, so that is not necessary. It is very nearer. We have calculated 36, it is 35. No problem. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
For this excavation, you calculate this. Next item, excavation. Shall I tell like this? Okay, calculate this one. 15 centimeter under 0.15. Okay. 0.15 plus 0.4 plus 1.7 plus 0.1 plus 3.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.15. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ?
6.2.
6.2. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರದ 6.2 ಅಂತ?
ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಸರ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Okay, 6.2 is correct. ಶ್ರೀನಾರಾಯಣ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂತನಪ್ಪ?
ಸರ್ ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರದಾರ ಮಾಡೋರ?
ಸರ್ 6.2 ಸರ್.
6.2 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. 0.15 plus 0.4 plus 1.7 plus 0.1 plus 3.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.15. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ?
6.2.
6.2. 6.2 ಸೇಮ್. ಈಗ ನಾ 1.6 ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. 1.6 ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ 0.15, 0.4, 1.6, 0.4, 0.15.
2.7.
2.7 sir.
2.7.
7.
Depth is 2 meters.
Depth is 2 meters. Correct. Very good. Okay. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ?
33.48.
33.48.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಇವ್ರದ್ದೇನೋ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಂದದಪ್ಪ. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು, ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇನಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಎರಡನೇ ಐಟಮ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸಾಕು, ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೇಮ್ ಐತಿ, ಭಾಳ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Plastering inside to inside plus height.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
1.6 plus 1.6 plus ಇದು. ಡಾಟಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಳು.
ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ 24.1.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ 24, 23, 25 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಬರೀ ಸೋಕ್ ಪಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರು. ಬರೀ ಸೋಕ್ ಪಿಟ್ಟದಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್. Srinarayan, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll start this soak pit. See here, everyone, please listen. Soak pit antandra septic tank baju kodtaralla, the next to the septic tank, that is the soak pit. Here, in the cross section, bottom there is a small brick masonry, only of this width, But when you come just above that one, you have bigger width. That means for excavation from here to here this width, but for this you have to take only this portion. You have to take only this portion width of excavation. Okay na? And inside you have brick masonry. Only open bricks have been kept here. And here jelly they generally they will put jelly or coarse aggregate or brick aggregates. Generally they will put brick aggregates or coarse aggregates like that, and these are called as dry bricks. There is no plastering. There is no plastering for this one. Only excavation you will get, and this masonry you will get. This air brick masonry you will get. Okay, and what else you are going to get? Dry brick portion, and last one is aggregates. Last one you are going to get is aggregates. Like that you have to get. Now slowly we start with excavation. Excavation for this bottom, this is the excavation quantity which is in circular. What is the dia of this one? What is the dia? Here they have given what is the width here?
1 meter, sir. Dia.
This one. Inside to inside it is 1. Okay, what is the brick wall width of this one? Brick wall width?
0.2, sir.
0.2. Very good. 0.2. Okay, na? So what will be this one? This from here to here?
1.4.
1.4. Very good. 1.4. 1 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. 1.4 into this height. This height.
0.28.
0.28.
28.
Height. Height is only 20 centimeter. That means only 0.2.
So 1.4 into 0.2, right?
Baba, pi d square by 4. It is not rectangle. It is circle. Pi d square by 4 means here d square is 1.4 square. Pi d square by 4.
1.54, sir.
1 second, I will tell. Pi d square by 4 into h. I am asking. I will write it like this. Pi d square by h. Pi d square by 4 into h. For this bottom excavation, dia is 1.4. Dia is 1.4. Okay, na? And for height is 0.2. Height is 0.2. How much?
3.08.
Sir, 0.31, sir.
0.31 is the correct answer for bottom excavation. For the top excavation, this is also 15, this is also 15, and this is 20. So how much is this total? 15 plus 15 plus 20. This. Hello. 15 plus 15 plus 20. Yes, Tapa.
0.5.
0.5. Very good. 0.5 plus 1 plus 0.5.
2.
2. Very good. So here d square means 2 square. D square means 2 square. Okay, na? D square means 2 square. Now, height. What is the height here? Total height of excavation from ground level? 50 plus 250. 300 means 3. 300 means it is 3.
9.4.
9.4. So this is second quantity at the 4. 9.4 plus 0.31. How much?
$9.73.
Very good. It is
9.73.
9.73 is the correct answer. 9.73 is the correct answer. Okay, na? Now there is a brick masonry here. Can you see here? Can you see here? There is a brick masonry, this portion. Bottom,
Yes, sir.
there is a brick masonry. Now for the calculation of this brick masonry, which is hatched portion, you need to calculate the mean dia. You have to calculate the mean dia. What is the mean dia? If this is 0.2, center is 1, so mean dia is 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. How much?
1.2.
1.2. 1.2 is the dia. What is the perimeter? Perimeter pi into d. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no, Baba?
Yes, sir.
Pi into d is the this length. Okay, na? So this will give your circumferential, mean circumferential length. So this you have to multiply with the thickness. This you have to multiply with the height, which will give the quantity into 0.2 into 0.2. Circumference into width
0.1.
into height.
0.15.
Correct. 0.15. 0.15 is the brick masonry. Correct? Similarly, if you change this height, to 2.5, you are going to get this item, correct? You are going to get this item, correct? That is dry brick masonry.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? So what is that dry brick masonry quantity? Same thing, dia into width into height.
1.88.
1.88. It is the dry brick masonry. Everyone, it is clear or not? Srinarayana,
Sir, yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತನೋ?
Yes. Sir, ಅದು
ಹೇಳ
circumference ಅಲ್ಲ, like the bricks above that.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಅದರದ್ದು ಇದು. So what is what do we have to multiply for this one, sir? Circumference, like pi into what value?
Pi into d.
D and
D.
1.2.
For d, this is also 1.2 center to center. This is also 1.2 center to center.
okay. Yes.
This item, that dia, mean dia, center dia is same. Okay.
Yes.
Width is also same, but height is changing. So answer is 1.89. That is correct. Okay, na? Now brick. Hello, everyone. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, for coarse aggregate quantity, here height is going to be the same, width is going to be the 0.15, correct? This is 0.15 width, this is 0.15 width, correct? Mean dia is also going to change. What is the mean dia? Mean dia is inside to inside 1, this is 0.2, this is 0.15 by 2. Correct? Here also 0.15 by 2. So I will tell 0.15 by 2 plus 0.2 plus 1 plus 0.2 plus 0.15 by 2. How much? Mean dia?
$1.55.
1.55. So pi into 1.55 is the mean dia. Okay, pi into 1.55 is the perimeter length, circumferential length, into its width. Width of that coarse aggregate is 0.15. What is the height of that coarse aggregate? 2.5. It's a 2.5. Okay.
1.82.
1.82 is the coarse aggregate. Correct? Coarse aggregate or brick aggregate?
Coarse aggregate, sir.
ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಅದು ನಡಕಿದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಕಾಣದತಿ.
ಸರ್.
ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಇವನೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಪೈ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟದ ಡಿ? ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಒಳಗ 1 ಅದ, ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ? 0.2 ಅದ. ಸಾರಿ ಪೈ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಇದು, ಒಳಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಇದು. pi d square by 4. Pi d square by 4. Pi d square by 4, because it is full, into height. How much? .15. Correct. So total brick aggregate is 0.15 plus this quantity. ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
ಸರ್
ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ, ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಈ ಸೆಂಟರ್ದೊಳಗೂ ಅದಾವ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಫುಲ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಹೌದನಪ್ಪ? ಹ್ಞೂ ಅನ್ನು.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಅದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಬಾಟಮ್ದೊಳಗೂ ಐತಿ. ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ದಾಗ ನಿಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಕೈತಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಇದು ಹೌದು, ಇದು ಹೌದು. ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರ, ಈ ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ನೀ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ, ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಅದದ್ದು ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ತರ ಫುಲ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ. ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಐತಿದೆ. ಇದೇನದ ಪೆರಿಫೆರಲ್ದಾಗ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪೆರಿಫೆರಲ್ದಾಗ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಪ್ಪ, ಪೈ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ತರ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ, ಪೈ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 4 ಮಾಡ್ತಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಪೈ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 4 ಮಾಡ್ತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.15/2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.15/2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.2
1.88 sir.
1.88 ಬಂತ ಅದ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.15 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.15
D 1.55 sir.
ಹಾ 1.55. ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ, 0.15 ಅದ. ಹೌದಾ? ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ, 2.5 ಅದ. 2.5 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಎಷ್ಟು,
ಸರ್ ದ ವಿಡ್ತ್ 0.15 ಅಂದ್ರಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 15 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಥಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹಾ, ಓಕೆ.
ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದರ 0.58 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದ
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, 1.55 into 0.15 to 2.5
ಇಂಟು ಪೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನು. ಇಂಟು ಪೈ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ.
$1.83 sir.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ 1.83 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
0.15 ಸರ್.
ಇದು 0.15. ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾತ?
1.98.
1.98 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, 15 mm ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ 1.98 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ನೀವು ಶಾಣ್ಯಾರದ್ರಿ, ಅಗದಿ ಶಾಣ್ಯಾರದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಅಂಕಿ ಇದೇನು ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇದಷ್ಟ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಮೊದಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಿತೀನಿ, ಪೈ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಇಂಟು ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಟು ಎಚ್. 4 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಲಿಸನ್. Pi, I will write pi like this. For this, center to center will be here to here for course aggregate. Okay na? So how to write D? 1 plus 0.2 plus 0.15 plus 0.15 plus 0.2 plus 0.15 plus 0.15/2. You tell me.
1.85 sir.
1.85 sir.
1.85. Width is given. How much is the width given? Circumferential 15 means what? 0.15. What is the height given? 2.5. What is the height? Is 2.5. Answer is
2.17.
very good. 2.17. That is the answer. They have given it in the answer. Is that okay?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
RCC slab. Where is that RCC slab? This one. Pi d square by 4 into h. Pi d square by 4 into h. Because it is a full circle, na? It is not only circumferential. Pi d square by h into 4. What is d here? D is 1 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. So that means 1.4. Pi d square 1.4 square by 4 pi into h. H is 8 centimeter means 0.08. 0.08. How much?
0.123.
0.123. Very good. 0.1. Correct. That much volume, that much is the volume. Okay. 0.123. Very good. Okay. And you can directly write it ms bars as 10 kg per square meter. So 15 kg. This is approximately. They have not given any bar bending schedule. They have given approximately. Okay. See here in this diagram, outside is brick wall. Outside is brick wall. Inside is, this is full of brick ballast. Inside is full of brick ballast. They have shown empty, but you should understand it is full of brick ballast. And this is also brick ballast only, but size is different. Here it is a 50 mm size. Here it is 10 mm size. That is the difference here. Apart from that, other items are same. Other items are same. Okay, na? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Total excavation. This is 150 centimeter plus 20 plus 20. How much? 190. 190 means pi into 1.9 square by 4 into height. Height is 3. How much?
8.5.
Very good. Who has told this answer?
Srinaran, sir.
Srinaran. Very good. It is 8.5. Correct answer. Everyone understood this problem? This step? Vidyashri, everyone, I am asking everyone.
Yes,
So
sir.
many people. Ellaru answer ಹೇಳ್ರಿ yes or no ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸುಮ್ ಕುಂತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲೋ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Sir.
Okay. So this is this. Calculate the mean dia of brick wall. This outside brick wall. How to calculate brick wall? This 150 plus 0.2 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2.
1.7.
That means 1.7. 1.7 is the circumference now. It is not a full width. Okay. So pi into d will come here. Pi into d will come here. Okay. Circumferential length pi into d into 0.2 is the width into height. What is the height here? 3. What is the height here? 3. How much?
3.2.
3.2. Correct. .2 is the correct answer. Okay. Brick ballast 10 mm full. This full. Brick ballast 10 mm full. It is not a perimeter now. It is volume now. Correct? It is full circle into height. Full cross-sectional circle into height. Full cross-sectional circle is how much? 150, no? Pi d square by 4 into height now. What is d? 1.5. What is h? 1.8. Correct?
Sir.
3.18 of 10 mm size. 3.18 of 10 mm size. Similarly, dia is same, but height is 0.6 now. Height is 0.6.
$1.06.
1.06 for 50 mm ballast. That is also correct. Okay, na? RCC slab. This one. RCC slab. This one.
0.13, sir.
Total dia. How much? 1.5 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. 1.9.
Okay.
1.9 That is the dia. Here pi d square by 4 will come.
0.21, sir.
0.21 is the correct answer. RCC. 0.21 is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. This is very simple, no? This diagram. I don't think this is a big problem. Same thing. Pi d square by 4 for excavation. For brick wall, it will be pi into d into w into h. Simple. There is no much of a thing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say, you can do it later. Okay, na? Manhole. What do you mean by manhole? Manholes. What are manholes? You tell me.
So it is a drainage system
Drainage
which
system.
facilitates a man to enter into it.
Rangnath,
Sir.
sir. Huh?
Sir, underground drainage.
Pardon? Rangnath, sir, what you are telling?
Sir, underground drainage.
Underground drainage, wherever blockages will be there, no? For there, they have created one rectangular shape, that big RCC wall, something like that. There, people can go and clean that one. Inspection and all those purposes, they generally do. Now, if you see any septic tank cross section, it will appear like this. The main sewer is running like this, open sewer. Okay, side you have brick wall or RCC wall, no problem, same thing. Okay, na? Like this they are going to do. RCC wall or brick wall, but here brick ballast, all those things will not come. Only slab will come, side walls will come, bottom concrete will come, and excavation as usual. Excavation will come. Okay, na? Excavation will come. Now, in plan, how it is appearing? There is no plan, right? I think it is circular one. Okay, it is a circular manhole. If you read the question, we will understand. Okay, okay, it is a circular manhole only, no problem. They have not given plan, means it is circular only. Excavation dia, pi d square by 4. Pi d square by 4 into h. Pi d square by 4 into h. Now you tell me, what is d here? Srinarayan, are you there?
Sir, 1.8 it is.
It is 1.8. Allah, noduna. Hang on.
So the first element, right? First element.
Excavation. This excavation. Okay,
Yeah,
I will tell the answer. You just note it down. Okay, na?
Sir, 2 meters, sir.
2 meters diameter.
2 meter, correct. 1 plus 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0.4 plus 0.1. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ?
2 meters, sir.
2 meter. 2 meter is the dia. 2 meter is the dia. So that is the total excavation, means pi d square by 4. Now height.
0.4.
0.4.
Sir, the
height.
cross section ತೋರಿಸಿ.
Ida cross section. ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
3, sir. 3.4.
Okay, total.
From bottom, I will start.
3.4, sir.
3.4, sir.
3.4.
This one is also to be added. How much is that? 10 centimeter. You should add this one also.
3.5.
3.5.
3.5.
3.5. Okay, na? Calculate. $10.99,
sir. Quantity.
10.99.
99.
Correct. 10.99 is correct. PCC. So for PCC, dia will be same. Height is only 0.4. The PCC, bed BPCC.
1.25.
1.25.
25.
Correct. 1.25. Correct. Okay, na? Now, so in the previous case, the brick wall was full continuous like this. Full, it was continuous like this. So there you have done like this. Pi into D into W into H. You have done like this. Now in this case, 1, 2, 3. 3 times like this it will come. First, second, third. 3 times it will come because it is of different height. Okay, na? Different height. Okay. So now we'll just we'll do pi into D into first one. I will write pi save pi save D for this one. What is D? Center to center D. First
1.4, sir.
1.4. Very good. It is 1.4. For second one,
1.3.
correct. 1.3. For third,
1.2.
1.2. Very good. Width for first one,
0.4.
very good. Width for second one,
0.3.
very good. Width for third one,
0.2.
0.2. Height for first one,
1.
1. Very good. Second,
1.
third,
1.
1. You multiply each and tell me the total quantity.
So first one is 1.75, sir.
Total, all 3 steps.
Okay. So 3.74.
Correct. 3.74 is the correct answer. Very good. Okay. Plastering inside. Bottom perimeter into height. Simple. Bottom perimeter into height. Bottom perimeter is how much? 1. Pi into 1. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Bottom perimeter. Pi into 1. What is the height?
3 meters, sir.
Height is 3 meters. Simple. How much it is there? Yeah, height, full height. 3.
9.42.
Correct. 9.42. Very good. Okay, 9.42 is the correct answer. Slab thickness. Pi d square by 4 into thickness. Pi d square by 4 into thickness. Pi. D square is how much? 1 plus
1.4.
1.4. 1.4 square by h into thickness. Thickness is 0.1. How much?
0.15.
0.15 is the correct answer. Okay. Point 0.5 is the correct answer. Okay. What is your next class? Everyone has understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So another 2 problems are there. Okay. Now almost time is over. 12:20.
Sir, next class, sir.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ ಮರ ನಿಮ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐತಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಇವೆರಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ 12:30 ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ 12:30. ಸೊ ನಾಳೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ರೋಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೋಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾ PDF ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? After downloading, you can start doing the exercise. Okay. So please Give the attendance by writing USN and name in the chat box, everyone. Please write your name and USN in the chat box. Nowadays, I will take attendance compulsory because people are missing the class. I don't know what action. Okay. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಯಾನು? ಪ್ರಭುದೇವ್, ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ, ರಂಗನಾಥ್, ಪ್ರಭುದೇವ್ ಹೋದ, ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಪ್ರಭುದೇವ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ವಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವಾಗ.
ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ. ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗೇ ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು. ರೋಹಿತ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಚಿನ್ ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ,
Yes sir.
ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್? ನೋ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
सलाउद्दीन,
सर
सभी समझ में आ गया?
हाँ सर, समझ रहा.
ओके. संजू?
हाँ सर.
ओके, ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಶಶಿಧರ್?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಶಶಿಧರ್?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಸರ್.
ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಮೂಲಿಮನಿ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್, ಟಿವಿ, ಊಟ?
सर नो सर.
ಓಕೆ. ಶ್ರೀನಾರಾಯಣ್?
Sir, almost understood, sir.
Okay, no problem. We have to practice. Srinivas Mantreshi?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಐತ್ರಿ.
Yes, very good. Teju, Vidyashri?
No doubt, sir.
No doubts. Everything is understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vijay Belavi?
Sir, no doubts.
Okay. Vinayak Pujari?
Yes sir, understand ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Okay, thank you very much. You can leave the class. Thank you.